Yep, we actually ate it. But before we get into the science of what it is, let's have some fun. What exactly is an Oobleck? Well, an Oobleck is a fluid that doesn't behave like normal fluids when it's hit. It's called a non-Newtonian fluid because it doesn't behave like fluids as described by Sir Isaac Newton. Yeah, that guy,
Ouch.
the guy with the apple falling on his head. That was Sir Isaac Newton. When you apply pressure, it behaves like a solid. Another YouTuber describes it like this.
When force is applied to the oobleck, the particles of cornstarch get pushed together, while the water gets squeezed out from around the area that's under pressure. This makes the oobleck solid,
allowing you to scoop it up. But as soon as you release that pressure, it flows right through your fingertips. If we pour Oobleck onto a speaker and play some music, the vibrations from the sound waves cause the Oobleck to dance and ripple, almost defying gravity, forming a mesmerizing pattern. It's like a living, breathing work of art right before your eyes. So the next time you come across an Oobleck, like blood or ketchup, they're both Ooblecks, remember its amazing properties. 1, the ability to be both a liquid and a solid. And 2, its mesmerizing reaction to sound waves. And its apparent defiance of gravity, as you saw in the video. As always, thanks for watching, future scientists. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing science experiments and fascinating discoveries. See you next time.